Welcome, my name is Midnight, and today I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to use Streamlabs to go ahead and use window capture so you guys could record or stream your computer games. So let's get to it. Now that we have Streamlabs open, we can get started. On the left side, you'll notice we have scenes, in the middle we have sources, on the right side we have mixer, and on top we have a display to see what we're doing. So to go ahead and add a window capture, we'll go ahead and click the plus button right here by sources. Now that this window is open, we can go ahead and open it up a little bit more and click window capture and add source. Now you'll be able to add a name to the source so you can go ahead and keep track of it, but you don't have to. And for this video, we'll go ahead and leave it under window capture. Now, what you see here is window match priority, and then two options in the bottom. For window match priorities, you have three options. You have window title must match, match title otherwise find window of same type, or match title otherwise find window of same executable. We leave it on the second one. And for the bottom ones, you have capture cursor, which means you'll always be able to see your mouse on the recording or the stream, and multi-adapter compatibility, which I go ahead and leave alone and do not mark. On the top one is where you'll find your game. For us, we're going to be using Pokemon since I already have it open. So we'll go ahead and click on it, scroll down, and then right here we'll find Pokemon Trading Card Game Online.exe, Pokemon Trading Card Game Online. I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, and then you're going to see a preview of it right here, and then we're going to click done. So for you guys, I know you see it right here without a border, but there is a border with a box on the bottom left, middle of the left, and top right, then the middle top and bottom middle, and the same thing on the right side. So to go ahead and fit it to your screen, all you have to do is grab the corner of it and stretch it out until the way you want it. But the problem is, if you go ahead and stretch it out like that, then you're still going to see the background right here, like you can still see Streamlabs OBS. The way to go ahead and fix that, let's say it was still here, you go ahead and you click and you hold shift, click the corner, and then you can go ahead and drag it around to fit it to the screen as it best suits you and your needs. If you guys have any more questions, please go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.